jiggly. Waffles for lunch. We're going to get them topped up with some whipped cream and some strawberry syrup. We need our tools. A whole bucket of tools. We need a cup to measure out the pancake mix. We need a spatula to get the end of the... So you need a cup. It's a good thing I have an extra one of those, huh? A cup to measure our pancake mix. Mixer. A fork, just in case to get it out of the waffle machine. Our eggs. 2 cups of water. 4 cups pancake mix. Spray to spray down our nifty waffle machine. So if you have waffle machines at home, this one's actually pretty fancy, but it's a double-sided and it opens up on both sides. We're gonna have to turn this around so you can see it. So we have 2 sides that we can make waffles on, and then we can flip it around and we have another side. So let's get this turned on. And I heard it click. When the green light comes on, it's ready to fill with our batter. So let's make our batter. This is just roughly, worry about measuring it out too much, so roughly 2 cups of pancake mix. Whoop, 1. And that's about 2. Let's do 4 cups of pancake mix. I'm gonna make a lot of waffles. I want a whole big stack of waffles. That's 4 cups of pancake mix and 2 cups of water plus another 2 cups of water. So now we're at 4 cups of pancake mix, 4 cups of water. We're going to crack our eggs into our pancake mix. Thank you for watching me. I hope you've smashed my like, my bell, and my subscribe, so YouTube knows you like me. And then we're going to crack both of our eggs into our dish. We're going to just use our fork to blend it up just a little bit, just to break your egg yolks, so it mixes easier in our batter. We're going to use our nifty little thing here, and we're going to mix it all up. Let's add a little bit more pancake mix. Now I'm just playing with it. Okay, so that should be good enough for the batter. Is our green light on? Can you see down there? I don't think the green light's... Oh, it's ready. So, a 1/2 cup to scoop it into here. Oop. It's definitely ready. Both sides are ready. So what we're going to do is get our pan and we're going to just spray it a little bit there and a little bit there. I'm not used to spraying it upside down. And what you're going to want to do is cover this whole bottom part in batter. So don't burn yourself. And get your batter all in the cracks. There we go. Cover and flip and repeat. This thing is really fun. You can use the same recipe in any waffle maker. Spray your pan and then scoop your batter and expect to make a mess. I will be making pancakes and waffles with blueberries and strawberries. I'll show you how to dehydrate them from fresh fruit and to incorporate them into your waffles and your pancakes. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so now when this light turns green again, we will be ready. We got a really huge serving plate, but we're going to make a really huge pile of waffles, so it will be okay. And leave this out. We need to do this every time. Oh, I didn't close that, did I? Again. Let's see, is it? Ooh, look at that. Our first waffle is fresh out the waffle maker. Bam. And then let's go ahead and spray this and fill it up right quick. Hopefully I won't run out of cooking spray. Because you don't want them to stick, that's for sure. So let's get this close to that. So it's about it's about a 1/2 and a 1/4. So it's about, what's that, like 3/4, a 1/4, a 1/3 cup? I don't know how much batter that would be. A little over a 1/2 cup. So 3/4 of a cup. I wonder if it's, I thought that one was in there longer. Maybe it's because I didn't close the door. But that one's done. So here we have our first 2 waffles. And let's spray it and fill it. There we go. And about 3/4 a cup. So that's how you get the full waffle shape. Wow, that one says it's already done. We got to get butter on these. Oh, I must have overfilled that one. Because it popped up. Alright, so maybe just a half a cup. Let's do a half a cup. That's not going to say. Alright, you got to butter your waffles. Alright, so I'm just adding a little bit of butter on top here. And then I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Look how beautiful those look. Just a little bit of butter there. And then I'm going to put it on the bottom of the stack so that the one on top of it can melt its butter. Let's see, is it ready? Yeah, that one's pretty crispy. Here we go. Let's put our butter on it. So let's just put a little. And let's put our half cup in there. Let's see. Can I do it this way and you guys can still see? Okay. Alright, so we're just going to put a half a cup this time. And this one should be ready. Okay, here we are. And butter. And once you get started, it really does go fast. Quick and easy pancake waffles. This does all the work for me, so all I gotta do is butter it and eat it. I love the crunchy little edge. Alright, and then we're gonna just do a half cup this time. And our other one says it's already ready. I don't know if that's true. But let's see. This one's a little off. But that's okay. It'll still taste good. Won't ya? It kind of looks like half the matrix is melting off like drip. It looks like a drip waffle. Thing here. There we go. That was a good coating. You can use any kind of cooking spray. They do have an olive oil cooking spray that I want to try out. Just because olive oil is usually better for you, but anything processed really isn't. And it's already pancakes, so. We already hit all processed foods. Alright. It says the other one's done, but let's see. That's still a little fresh. We'll give it another second. It's hissing, so I think it's ready. Here we go. It's another drip. A drip waffle. And we want to... There we go. You gotta hold it like this, apparently. This doesn't work. Somewhere in between is the right amount. Just enough to fill the squares up to where you can't see the metal. And then bam. And bam. Let's give that one a little bit more time. I like them when they're a little bit more crispy because otherwise they're kind of flat like this. But I really can't help it. Should we taste it? I got butter on my face. Oh my. Oh my goodness. No wonder my dogs are going crazy because it smells like pancakes. Alright, so this one said it was done, but I wanted it a little more crispy. Okay. A little bit more. Just to cover. All waffle makers are pretty much the same concept. You just want to basically cover the metal pieces. And let's see, this one says it's done. Oh yeah, lovely. Absolutely lovely. We're almost here to the top of the stack. We almost made it. Okay. I think we got about one more waffle left in here. And let's get almost through our waffles like this. And butter. We did that one kind of upside down. That's okay. I want to get this last one in here. I'll probably just pour it in. Woo. And there we go. Now that we got everything nice and messy. Okay, this guy's done. He's sizzling at us like a lobster getting fried. And we got one more. And then we're going to top this whole big pile of waffles. And it's going to be fun. And then I'm going to try to eat it. So I'm done with my waffles. So what you can do at this point is just close it. It will not burn. And just let it go. And then as soon as this one's done, we'll turn it off so it doesn't get overheated. That's definitely why. So delicious. Alright, alright. Says it's done. Let's get it out. And let's turn off our waffle maker. Because we're done with that guy. Let's get some butter on here. And butter these waffles. This is going to be so delicious. And then I'm going to top it. So, can you see how huge this is? I got a little ring fry. And the pile is bigger than my head, maybe? Maybe. Nice and fluffy. Jiggly. Alright. We will make it into a cake. Maybe we should start at the bottom, like this. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look beautiful? Let's get a nice big roll at the bottom. Plate you could turn. Oop, oop. Oop, oop. I got whipped cream everywhere. That didn't stick. Okay, that's not gonna stick, but there we go. So it's gonna drip over. Alright, not like I need these extra calories. Alright, let's add our strawberry. And let's try to, like, maybe just drizzle it. And this is looking beautiful. I hope you can see how pretty this is looking. So far. Ooh. Ooh. I like how it jiggles. This is so much waffles. Oh my goodness. Alright. Then I'm going to put some... Oh yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of regular syrup on it. Swirl and just let it drip down the sides here. There we go. There we go. There we go. I am going to eat this. How? How am I going to eat this? Alright, let me grab a fork. Ready? Here we go. Alright. Alright. The biggest pile of waffles ever for lunch. Oh, it's so good. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.